If you're about to move a kid to college, do it the easy way. You have got to pick up a set of these moving bags. We just finished moving my daughter into her first apartment for her sophomore year, and here's what I love about these huge bags. They are gigantic. They've got the straps so you can wear them as a backpack, so that way you can carry two in your hands, have one on the back, but a lot of what you're moving is bedding and clothes and squishmallows. And so this makes it a whole lot easier. You can fit so much of these. You get a 6-pack. You can pick a couple different colors. So here's the other 5 in this pack. But this is how big these things are. For reference, you can fit an entire kindergartner in this. They have a little pocket right here so you can label them. The straps are sewn really securely so you don't have to worry about ripping. They're basically a tarp material, and they are bug resistant and water resistant, so that way if you need to put them in a storage unit, you don't have to worry about the clothes getting full of bugs. And then these zip open on the top just like a suitcase. Zips open on top just like that, and here's everything I have fit in here with lots of room to spare. All of my couch pillows. If you want to grab these, they are on a great special right now, but they are probably going to sell out because it is back to school season and everybody's moving right now. So if you want to pick them up before they're all gone, I'll put the link for this set right down here on the video so you can.